Yo, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you my pickup I did this time. Here I have a 4-pack, these 20-piece little adult snappers. I have one more Miro Bros out of 4, and then I have a Scream. I have no idea what this is going to do, but then I have Jitterbugs crackers. They're okay, I guess. Laser lights, 2 of these fountains. I have fast fuse and regular fuse. I have a 6-piece of Explosive Excellence by Great Grizzly. 6-piece of 10 crackling candle by Mega Banger, and 10 shots 6-piece Roman candle, color Roman candles, just regular color shells. Oh yeah, I like boom brackets. I told you guys, they're pretty good for this year. Big boy. Yes sir, this is my whole stash so far, guys.